Hi there, Ron here with Small Engine Repair, Aurora, Colorado. Metro Wide Denver, we offer mobile small engine repairs. Yes, I said that right. We come to you folks. You do not have to load your small engine into your vehicle any more longer. We come to you from Castle Rock to Conifer, Boulder East. We offer mobile services from tune-ups on lawnmowers, riding mowers, generators, chainsaws, you name it, go-karts, we service it, folks. We come to you. All you have to do is call one number, is 720-298-6397. We offer expert Metro-wide services. We've been in business since 1989, folks. We're open 7 days a week for your convenience from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. All you simply have to do is give us a call right now to schedule your service, folks. We will come to you. We service all brands, Tecumseh, Briggs & Stratton, Kohler, you name it, we do it. Give Ron a call today at 720-298-6397. You'll be glad you did. And by the way, I'm so glad you folks visited our video today, and we appreciate you. Have a great day.